د ټیم کې مردان ډي پی او عبدالله خان یونیورسټۍ ته راورسېدو او استقبال ته چې کوم دی نو عطاالله خان دی او د پرنسپل صاحب دی محکمه دا مونږ ډي پی او صاحب ته هرکلی وایو عبدالله خان یونیورسټۍ ته په راتلو باندې
जो आजकल एक बर्निंग इशू है, इस पे एक सेमिनार अरेंज किया और डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस ऑफिसर जो हमारे मर्दान के नए आए हैं और माशाल्लाह फ़ील हो रहा है कि वो ग्राउंड पे एक्टिव है। और ये सर ड्रग्स हमारे यूथ में ज़्यादा आजकल पाए जा रहे हैं। आपको ज़्यादा रिपोर्ट्स होंगी। तकरीबन पिछले साल मैं चरसद्दा में था, वहाँ पे मैंने ये रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स का विज़िट किया तो वहाँ पे मुझे इंजीनियर्स मिले जिन्होंने यूटी से पढ़ा था, लॉयर्स मिले जो डिग्री होल्डर थे लेकिन वो रिहेबिलिटेशन में थे क्योंकि उन्होंने मतलब इस लत में वो मुब्तला हो गए थे। ये एक नासूर है हमारे माशरे में। हमारे यूथ का हर एक इंसान में एक है, एक कुदरती एक ब्रेक लगा होता है। मैं अपनी कभी कभी दोस्तों के साथ कहता हूँ कि ज़मीर जो है इंसान के अंदर अल्लाह ने एक ब्रेक रखा हुआ है। इस ब्रेक को ये ख़त्म कर देता है, ये नकारा बना देता है। इंसान जब नशा करता है उसको बिल्कुल फ़ील नहीं होता कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। क्राइम्स रेट बढ़ जाते हैं, उसकी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन जो है वो डिग्रेड होती रहती है, उसकी फैमिली पोजीशन बर्बाद हो जाती है और वो आखिर में माशरे के लिए एक नासूर बन जाता है। फिर हमारे पास ये रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स है, तो रिहेबिलिटेशन सेंटर्स में फिर ये लोग जाते हैं, वहाँ पे इनकी काफ़ी ट्रीटमेंट होती है। फिर जब बाहर निकलते हैं अक्सर उसमें दोबारा चले जाते हैं। मतलब ये है कि एक मरतबा आपको ये लत लग गई तो फिर मुझे नहीं लगता कि बंदा आसानी से बाहर आ सकता है। हमारा मकसद ये है कि आपको इन्फॉर्म करें कि इसके मनफी असरात DPO साहब आपको ये प्रेजेंटेशन में भी बता देंगे। इंसान के मेंटल इश्यूज़ बन जाते हैं, फाइनेंशियल सोशल लाइफ पे मतलब इंसान हर तरफ से जो है वो बर्बाद हो जाता है। आप यूथ हैं तो एडवांस में हम आपको इसलिए वो अवेयर कर रहे हैं कि आप इस साइड पे ना जाएं और कोशिश करें कि इस मुल्क की तरक्की में अपना किरदार अदा करें। पॉजिटिव एक्टिविटीज़ में आप शामिल हो जाएं। डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ यूथ अफेयर्स का मोटो भी यही है कि हम अपने यूथ को पॉजिटिव एक्टिविटी में शामिल करें। अभी सर आपको कह रहे थे डायरेक्टर साहब कि हमारा डिपार्टमेंट अभी सॉफ्ट लोन्स जो है वो तकरीबन 10 बिलियन का वो उन्होंने अभी पैकेज इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। तो अभी जून में जो है वो इंशाल्लाह अनाउंस हो जाएगा, बजट में वो इंक्लूड हो गया है। तो आप लोग कोशिश करें बिज़नेस साइड पे आ जाए, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बने, अपने दूसरे भाइयों को दोस्तों को मौका दे कि वो आए और इस मुल्क की तरक्की में अपना किरदार अदा करें, ना कि इस मुल्क को पीछे धकेलने में।
Bache, I have already told you that Mardan police has registered more than 1,000 cases against drug peddlers. So this is the type of action and this is the type of seriousness that we are showing to the people of Mardan, that we are strictly against drugs, we are strictly against those people who are aiding them, who are assisting them, and inshallah it would be, you will see a marked difference in the coming days. देखें, there are strict SOPs for it. Like those chemicals are only can be used or permitted to be used by the medicine manufacturers. So unfortunately they got leaked out, they got smuggled through different illegal means, and there are certain other institutions as well who are working against the drugs, like the excise department, the anti-narcotics department, and they have got a huge, they keep working against those illegal transporters.
thankful to Honorable Chairman of Honorable Faculty to arrange this seminar for us. We all know that today our seminar is about anti-drugs, to aware the youth about drug hazard. Sir, my question from you that what initiative has the police department launched to address specific crime like drug trafficking or other social crime?
Drug what?
Drug trafficking.
Drug trafficking. Gore, I have already discussed this thing with you that fight against drug is the primary focus and responsibility of any district police, be it Mardan or any other district in Pakistan. So I have told you about the initiatives. There are certain angles and there are certain connotations to it. The first and primary one is the prevention. How we can prevent it, I told you different steps, that we are taking action against them by registering cases. We are going after the drug peddlers. The second preventive side is the awareness plan, which we are doing right now. And the third one is the prosecution and investigation, by trying to investigate those cases in a very professional manner so that those drug peddlers remain behind the bar for a longer period of time. So these are certain initiatives that we are taking. Ji.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming here, and thank you to Sir Hussain sir to organize this fruitful seminar for us. Sir, my first question is this, sir, are there any drug rehabilitation center in District Mardan or other support available for those people who are involved in drugs? My second question is this, sir, what challenges does the police department facing in addressing drugs-related issues, and how can the community assist?
ګوره دې کې دلته یو ډېر ښه I have not visited that drug rehabilitation center. دلته یو شته دی په مردان کې drug rehabilitation center او دې سره سره دې کې دوه سایډونه وي. دې کې اولنې هغه چې وي هغې ته وایي ډیټاکسیفیکیشن سنټر چې اول کم پیشنټ یي هغه ډیټاکسیفای شي او د هغې نه پس بیا ریهیبلیټیشن کیږي. نو we are working with certain private parties as well, certain non-governmental organizations to establish these rehabilitation centers in different parts of Mardan. او secondly تاسو ویلو چې سوسایټي پکې څنګه اسیسټ کولی شي. ګوره سوسایټي بنیادي کار دا نه دی چې هغه خپله لاړ شي او ډرګ پیډلر ونیسي. د سوسایټي دا کار دی چې اول خو ځان بچ کړي، لکه اوس تاسو دا ریسپانسبیلیټي ده. دویمه ریسپانسبیلیټي دا ده چې سوسایټي ستاسو په ګاونډ کې یو غلط کار کیږي، په کار دی چې تاسو ریپورټ کړئ او داسې مه ریپورټ کوئ چې بهر ودرېږئ یا ډایرکټ تاڼې ته لاړ شئ. You can secretly just give a WhatsApp message to the SHO, to the Chowki in charge, to the DSB, to DSP, to SP, to the DPO office. او یا په سوشل میډیا ورکې یو انونیمس اکاونټ نه ورکې. سوشل میډیا خو ټول هم یوز کوئ که نه، نو پازیټیولی یوز کړئ.
Sir, does your government suggestions for Mardan ke tadi kasan or accounts ke ke involves ya gunun naviya parcel sada se district service ke che badi ki zyada kamu sir gharib tak ko chene aur badi ke involve la kam bi psychologically sir abi technically tadi wo de sir abi tadi ke involve
نه ګورنمنټ کومه اداره څه مطلب ګورنمنټ دا ریهیبلیټیشن سنټر سرکاري دی که نه؟ شته دی که نه؟
To the society and to our nation. I've developed the framework for our students where we will be conducting awareness seminars on the drug abuses and the drug uses. Also, we want to engage our student in co-curricular activities where they could be more healthier and that they can have healthy activities around. The other thing I was talking with the youth officer that day, that unemployment is one of the big issues of our students. So we are designing a micro enterprises development program for our students where they will learn the skills where they can have the small businesses, and they are introducing the soft loans for our students as well. So that can help them in engaging good activities and the healthy activities, and they will be focusing on those things that could be more helpful in their life. So I'm thankful again for the students for joining us. I'm thankful again to the DPO office, Mardan, the youth office, the AC Saab, the Ataullah Saab. I'm extremely thankful to all of you for coming here and joining us on this important cause.
And media.
And the media as well.
ज़रूर साहब DPO साहब के आप इधर तशरीफ लाएं सर और I would like to request Dr. Tariq, Director Rorik, to accompany DPO Saab in distribution of the sheet. Okay, first of all, a big support from the Youth Office. Thank you so much, Mr. Usman, Youth Officer, to receive your sheet for the DPO Saab. Mr. Ataullah Saab from Airway, he's the chief organizer of this event. Okay, I am receiving my sheet from the DPO Saab. Sayyid Ilyas Shah to receive his sheet from the DPO Saab. Dr. Jahangir Saab to receive his sheet from the DPO Saab. Sir, our Honorable Vice Chancellor has just recently joined the office and extremely busy. We requested him yesterday. He said, I'll try my level best to meet him. But no worries, inshallah, we will invite you again and again. And we kept his shield for the Vice Chancellor. I request Director Rorik to receive shield on behalf of the Vice Chancellor from the DPO. Right. Now I request Mr. Usman Saab, Mr. Ilyas Saab to join us and honor the DPO Saab with the shield regarding this event. Thank you so much for being with us, for your patience. Wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.
Sasa दिल से
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम डेरा मेहरबानी यूथ तक हम दा मैसेज दे چې ځان ड्रग्स نه ساتي او دا اویرنس په دماغو کې موجودي چې خپل بم ځان ساتي خپل چم گاوند خپل فیملیز خپل کولیګز او غویم ساتي او کچرته داسې غیر غماس خلکی او ډرګ پیډلرز وی دا غي شکایتي نو سیکریټلی د پولیس افسرانو ته چې خپل واتس اپ نمبر باندې په سوشل میډیا باندې هغه اطلاع کوي او ان شاء الله مردان پولیس په داغه خلاف کاروایی کوي.
صحیح ډیر مهرباني صاحب.